All right, we're gonna give it another minute or so. All right, I think we can get started. Hi, everyone, and welcome to our Tuesday session of Live with Smartphone. This is your weekly space to ask questions, share wins, and discover workflows that help your business grow. I'm Cesar, Integration Manager here at Smartphone, and I'll be your host today. And joining me are Anne from our sales team, Valentina, our affiliate manager, Juana and Gabriel from our support team, and Grace, our social media expert. Thank you for being here. We're really excited for today's session. And if you're joining us in Zoom, you can drop your questions in the chat or simply raise your hand if you'd like to speak with us directly. And if you'd like to get the recording of this meeting and automatic reminders for future sessions, you only need to register once. And we'll post a link for the future sessions on our channels and on this chat. Every week, we go live for 30 minutes to connect with you, our clients, prospects, and industry friends. So this is your time to ask questions about the product and its functionality, see how others are using smartphone in their workflow, share feedback that helps shape where we go next. Our format is simple, so we'll kick off with a quick highlight, which can be a feature or an important update we think will help you get more out of smartphone. And then we'll open the floor to your questions live right here. Before we move into questions, we're going to kick off with a quick spotlight so you can get immediate value from today's session. And the feature we're highlighting is departments. Departments are designed to help you keep your account clean, organized, and role-based. They let you group users into teams like acquisitions or sales or finance and give each group the exact permissions, caller IDs, and features they need. It keeps things secure, removes clutter, and makes scaling a lot easier as your team grows or responsibilities shift. So with that, I'll hand it over to Anne to show you what it looks like in action. Thanks, Anne, and hi.
Oh, just a second. I think Anne had an issue with the internet connection, but she's coming back up
Okay, sure.
with presenting.
Okay, while we wait for Anne to go live with us, yep, there she is, actually. Hey, Anne.
All right. Sorry about that. Hi, guys. My name is
No
Anne,
worries.
and I'm with the sales team. I'm here to present to you how you could utilize departments. So let me go ahead and share my screen. All righty. Here we go. Okay. And just to give you more information, actually, as what Cesar said, this is will actually help you utilize everything. And when you're also adding more users to the account, this will actually help you save time instead of always creating new permissions for everyone. So let's go ahead and go right here on the admin side. Let's click on admin on the left hand side panel, and then from here you'll be prompted to the users page. So let's go ahead and go to the departments. And then from in here, this is where you can actually create a new department. And just an additional information, um, the default department is actually always there. So you cannot have this removed or deleted unless you will be creating or set a new sales or a new default department. So from this page, you can see we have the sales as the default department. So the one that has been created by the smartphone account will be able to remove, or you could already remove or delete that one. So you cannot delete the default one unless you have set a new default department. So from here on the upper right hand side, let's click on new department. And from in here, just basically you can add simple information that will allow you to know which department would this be. So let's say, for example, this is going to be for inbound sales. And then from here, any description that will help you regarding this department. So only for inbound sales department, something like that. Any information that will help you out. And let's say, for example, you already have an existing department that you would like to just copy the settings that you have created for the permissions. You could select which one. And or if you just want to create a new one, you could do so as well. Just click save right here and it will take you to the permissions page. If you don't know, by the way, the permissions, this is actually just letting the other users that will be adding to this specific department to have an access with any of this. So let's say, for example, if you don't want like the people within or the users under the inbound sales to have any of the finance and the billing information or with the billing with the account, you could just turn this toggle off or just let that stay on off. And then if you want any of the activity management, you could just turn on which one they would have an access to. So they would be able to edit something out within activity management and then under the account management as well. Just have this one customized, but some still after you have everything saved from in here, you could still have this one edited out per user if you need to. So after you have set everything from here, you could go ahead and click next. And then we're going to be going to caller ID management. So remember, this caller ID management is for the outbound calls. This is going to be different for the call flow, which would allow you to set it for the inbound calls. So let's say you want the sales team to use the main phone number and then a marketing phone number for doing your outbound calls. You could select those two numbers and other multiple numbers if you need or if you want them to have an access with any other numbers. And then from there, you could go ahead and hit next again. And from here, you could already assign users. So just a reminder, the account owner cannot be added to any of the departments. So and also one user can only be added to one department. Just keep that in mind. So I have here Vlad and myself already added to a different department, so I'm not being added to this sales inbound anymore. So we could just go ahead and add other users that doesn't have their department just yet. And then from there, you could go ahead and select multiple users and hit next. And then it will just allow you to click or it will actually let you know that the process has been completed and then you could go back to departments again and there you go, we have the inbound sales department. So whenever you're going to invite another user, you could just select to which department they are going to be added to, so you don't have to edit out or customize their permissions and also the phone numbers that they're allowed to use for their outbound calls. That's it for me.
Thank you very much, Anne. That was really thorough and nicely presented. Guys, let's make this yours. So if you have any questions or feedback with what Anne just showed you, please pop them in the to the chat or simply raise your hand to speak with us. If you have any other types of questions, general questions, don't have to be about the departments, feel free. We're here to assist you and answer them. So please.
Okay, so we have a question in the Q&A section, Cesar. This is about the worm transfers. Someone is asking us if we have an established guide for worm transfers. Yeah, we have an article, more articles in the documentation, you know, helping you with the steps on how to do a worm transfer properly. But if you guys wanna, if anyone here from the support team and if you guys want to share some more details on work transfers or any inside tips, let us know. I'll put that in the chat.
Yeah, so basically the worm transfer works very simply. You just need to have the pro subscription, activate the pro dialing, and then just hit the add call button, and you can add multiple participants to the call. And that's it.
Thank you very much, Juana and Valentina.
Thank you, Gabriel, for putting that in the chat. And I'm also going to share the article that we have on worm transfers for Smart Dialer in case you want to know more about that as well. Answered. Let us know, guys, if you have any other questions or any feedback. That would be great to know as well. So basically, we just want to talk to you.
Let's see, we only have Robert left. Robert, do you have any questions for us? Please feel free to drop them in the chat. Okay, roger that, Robert. Okay, in that case, I think we can keep it short and sweet. We'll share the recording of this and, of course, see you next week. I wish you have a good day and take care. Thank you, guys.
You as well. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you.
Bye.